One, what is Lifepreneur? To understand how to promote Lifepreneur, you have to understand what is Lifepreneur, because right now we're in pre-launch, so no one really gets what Lifepreneur is. Lifepreneur is launching summer of 2018. Lifepreneur is going to offer a done-for-you system for the average person to be able to plug right into to make money. So we're already building out these. So when I say agency, right now I'm teaching ahead of time, we have done-for-you agency sites where all you do is you come in and you pick a domain name, you just go in, you buy the domain name, and just boop, it pops it right in the thing. They use a little logo tool, it pops in a logo, and it has all these services. And the cool thing about these services, it's something called arbitrage. And even if you don't understand what it is, it works like this. I meet up with somebody like Chad, who's a friend of mine, figure out what service Chad offers. Chad says, hey, I offer, let's say, funnel building. And I go, what are your prices? Can you make like 3 standard prices or something? Yeah, I do this basic funnel for $2,000. I do this middle one for $5,000. I do this one for $10,000. He is an expert, let's say, at building funnels with ClickFunnels. Now, he's in my network. So what we've built is we've built what I believe is the world's largest network, arbitrage network of people that provide all these services. So you get your own done-for-you agency site, takes like 10 minutes to set up, and then it says, what services do you want to offer? Instead of offering your own services, you're going to click and you're going to pick, you're going to look at Chad's, you're going to look at all these reviews of people using Chad's, you're going to add Chad's services to your website, and then it's going to say, how much do you want to mark up the prices? So his base price might be $2,000, so you offer $2,500. His other one's $5,000, you offer for $6,000. So now what happens is when the money comes in, you're collecting, let's say, $6,000, you're turning around and you're spending $5,000 for the service, and then you're hooking them up together. So this is called agency arbitrage. This is our big move for summer of 2018. The reason we haven't gone so public with it is just because we don't want a whole bunch of people competing with us on it, okay? We don't know of any other company doing this. Think about it as, if anybody understands drop shipping, like with AliExpress or drop shipping from China, AliExpress, if I want to sell a little necklace on my website, all I have to do is go to AliExpress, find a vendor that has good pricing on it, good ratings, take the picture of their necklace, put it on my site. Someone gives me 20 bucks, I turn around and buy it off their site for $5. I keep the difference. All I did was I thought, what if we do the same exact drop shipping model, but instead of drop shipping products from China, we drop ship services. That's what Lifepreneur was really based on. The product that we're going to roll out for that is called Digital Agency Builders, short for DAB. And it's basically, it's Digital Agency Builders, and it's a phenomenal course. And essentially what it's going to do is going to teach you how to start your own agency business. So you get a done-for-you agency store, you get some training, you get all these services you can arbitrage. So right out the bat, week 1, you look successful. You know, we teach you how to be able to pick a name. We have a software tool that basically you just type in some words and it picks a name for you. And then we have a little logo tool that just basically you choose your icon and it takes your word and it just puts a little logo together. Very, very cool services that we partnered with. So in the first day you get an agency that offers other people's services. And then what you do is you can learn skills and add your own services on top of that. Inside of those services offered is where you're going to put your affiliate offers. So you're going to have a whole page. Every agency site has a whole page that sells the Lifepreneur opportunity. So instead of sending people to Lifepreneur, you're basically just telling people, you're sending people to your own agency, and there's going to be a whole page on your agency that's pre-built for you that sells the Lifepreneur opportunity. It's a done-for-you turnkey system. It's kind of like, this is what I wanted to do previously with the company I just previously left. It's what I wanted to do there. It just never got built out. It was always a passion of mine. And so we decided to build it out here. So that product, Digital Agency Builders, is going to sell for $2,000. We're going to pay $1,000 in commissions on it.